G'day guys, today we're going to give you a simple demonstration step by step how to use highlighter.com, how to use it for your benefits and creating value for your readership or customers and clients. So first of all we'll click over to sign up. I won't actually sign up, but you just click over there on the right hand side top there and it'll open up a little tab and you'll type in your full name, your username, whatever that you would like to make it, and then create a password. I recommend, if you have not already, to download an add-on tool called LastPass, and that way you can create unique passwords for each web tool website that you're using. And last but not least, type in the email address that you'd like emails to go to. Fortunately, I should say, they do not send many emails at all, so that's very good value there. And then once you've read the terms and conditions and you're happy, click the tick, put a tick in the tick box, and then go ahead and create an account. But for this demonstration I've already set up an account and we'll just go ahead and log in. So once you've set up your account from our demonstration, you'll go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, it'll bring you up to page. You want to click the top tab first of all. Make sure it brings up to this page, so just click the highlighter tab up the top there on your left hand side if you do not come to this page straight away, and we'll simply show you how to do this step-by-step process. So first of all, this tool, this platform that you can use, you can upload any PDF, Word doc or PowerPoint or even Excel file I've found that you can upload. So there you can see it again: PDF, PowerPoint, Word doc, Excel file, and also EPUB documents if you have any of those. Okay, you just click on choose and you can go and choose whatever file that you may want to upload. We'll just look for something, and we're going to, for this demonstration, upload PR document Bootstrapper Bible. And so first of all we'll go and look for our documentation, whether that's in Word doc or PDF or the other file formats I mentioned. Then you would simply click on that and click open. And just give it a little minute. It may be slow depending on your computer and the memory that you have available, and then it'll come to uploading it. Once it uploads it, it'll give you a viewer of how your PDF file came out. For now, I have found an error on their website, but I simply, to get away from this error, I have sent them a report about this error. So simply to get away from this error, you'll find that when you upload any documents that you may have to use the back space, the back tab on your browser. You simply click on the back tab, and if it happens again, simply click on it and then return to your main page to avoid that error. It's only when you're uploading something, but I've informed them about it. So that's simply how to put a Word doc in, so you can quickly go down to your books and docs to see where it is, and here we can see our documentation has been uploaded. You can go ahead and share it how it is. If you want to share that link to someone, a friend, or in a forum, on a social media, or however you want to share that, even in an email. The next interesting thing that may be very useful is to create a class, a simple, easy class format. Maybe you're just starting to build a tribe, starting to build prospects and clients, customers up. This is a great way to simply put something together that will not take you very long at all. So click on Create Class, and for this example's sake, we're going to just put a title in here, and we'll call it Boot Coaching Class. You'll put any title that you want in there. Over here you can see, the visibility can be either shared or public, whatever you would like to do. So of course, if you keep it private, that means that you would, once you've set up your classroom, you would have to go and give that link out to whoever you want to give that link out to. Or if you want to make it public, that way you can put it on your website or wherever you want, and people will not have to ask for your permission to come into the classroom. And then you put in a bit of description of your choice, and we'll just, for this example, we'll put in coaching, showing and guiding you towards your start up passion. Okay, so just put any description that you feel is useful, constructive for those who you're wanting to communicate. And then you go ahead, create class by clicking the tab, and here it brings you to the analytics tab, that you can see that you can then go ahead and upload documents for each class that you've created. So see down here, I've created a previous class. Up here is our class that we just created, and you can go and just upload documents and whatever else you want to upload to connect to your audience, and you just go ahead through the same process as I showed you earlier on. And then over here you can, on the right hand side top tab, you can add students, and you can add them via email, or also upload a roster Excel file of people that you've built relationship and trust with, and that way you can connect and communicate with them all directly by uploading an Excel file of their data. Over here you can edit your details on your right hand side. You can go into settings and adjust the settings and delete if you'd like to delete and start a whole new fresh class. Down here, come across over to your left hand side, you can see sites, and this way you can add a site in here, whatever that site, and add, so example, we'll just put for example Google. This is just for an example's sake, but of course this would be your own website, whatever that may be. Once you read the terms and conditions, you're happy with that, you'll acquire a code, and that code you just copy and paste that into your site footer. Okay, or you can, if you're using WordPress, which is a great help, you can download the plugin, and that will help to put all the footer notes and that into that plugin to make it even easier if you're not sure where the footer notes is on your site. So hopefully you've got WordPress and you're able to use that plugin to make it a lot more simpler to you. But if you have any problems, feel free to connect and we can help you move through the process at a lot quicker rate. So I hope this overview of Highlighter has helped you to give you some ideas of getting out there your information that you've created, content that you believe is worthy of value, to create a small class, big class, whatever sort of class you wanted to be around, coaching, educational framework, whatever your passion, hobby may be, your talents and skills. I encourage you to use those skills, and we look forward to connecting with you soon. This is Brian signing off for now, and thank you for your time.